When we think of watercolor, we naturally tend to think of paper as our painting surface. It is the traditional choice. However, there are many other exciting possibilities available to explore these days. In this mini class, we will talk about the many options that are available on the market today. Hello, I'm Ksenia Anis, and this is my mini class, Painting on Non-Paper Surfaces. In this class, we will review such options as watercolor canvas, Aquabord, Yupo, and we will also talk about making virtually any surface suitable for watercolor with products like watercolor grounds. Non-paper surfaces for watercolor provide many advantages. The most obvious one would be their durability and stability during application of water, which watercolor requires plenty of. Board products like Aquabord don't warp, and it's easy to remove paint from the surface without any damage. Even though these products can be more expensive than paper, money can be saved on framing. Most of these products, with proper application of fixative, do not require framing on the glass or can be displayed with no frame at all. Not all art organizations allow paintings on these non-paper surfaces to participate in watercolor art shows, but they're getting more and more accepted by the art community worldwide. In the next video, let's take a closer look at the creative possibilities that the surfaces give us watercolor artists.